Did you know that the cleaning products under your sink are slowly poisoning your family, damaging your health, and you've been trusting them blindly because of clever marketing? What if switching to natural alternatives could save you money while actually working better? I made the switch 6 months ago after a terrifying health scare, and what I discovered about conventional cleaners will shock you. Stay with me, because this information might literally save your life. The wake-up call I couldn't ignore. Let me tell you about the moment that changed everything. I was cleaning my bathroom like I'd done hundreds of times before. Scrubbing with toilet cleaner, spraying tile cleaner, wiping with glass cleaner. All different brands, all promising superior results. Suddenly, I felt dizzy. My throat started burning. My eyes were watering. I had to leave the bathroom and go outside just to breathe. And as I stood there gasping for fresh air, I had this terrifying thought. What am I putting in my home? What am I breathing in? What am I exposing my family to? The horrifying truth about conventional cleaners. I started researching the ingredients in common cleaning products, and what I found was genuinely disturbing. Phthalates that disrupt hormones, ammonia that damages respiratory systems, chlorine bleach that creates toxic fumes when mixed with other cleaners, triclosan that contributes to antibiotic resistance, formaldehyde, a known carcinogen, used as a preservative. These aren't exaggerations. These are documented health hazards in products we spray liberally throughout our homes. The natural alternative that actually works. After that bathroom incident, I decided to experiment. I threw away every conventional cleaning product in my home. Everything. I started making my own cleaners using simple ingredients: white vinegar, baking soda, Castile soap, essential oils, and water. That's it. 5 ingredients, replacing 20 different products. I was skeptical. Years of marketing had convinced me that cleaning required harsh chemicals, but I was desperate to eliminate the toxins from my home. The results shocked me. My homemade all-purpose cleaner, just vinegar, water, and a few drops of tea tree oil, cleaned surfaces just as well as the chemical spray I'd been using. My baking soda scrub removed bathroom stains better than the abrasive chemical cleaner. The Castile soap solution cleaned my floors beautifully without leaving residue. Not only were these natural solutions equally effective, they were actually superior in many ways. No harsh fumes, no burning eyes, no chemical residue left on surfaces where my family touches and eats. The unexpected benefits. 6 months into this natural cleaning journey, the benefits extend far beyond just health. My cleaning supplies now cost me maybe $2 monthly. Before, I was spending $10 to $15 on various products. I'm saving nearly $200 annually, just on cleaning products. My home smells fresher because I'm not layering artificial fragrances over chemical odors. My skin isn't dry and irritated from chemical exposure. I don't worry when my nephew visits and touches surfaces. I'm not contributing plastic bottles to landfills every month. Why this matters more than you think. Think about how much time you spend in your home. Think about the surfaces you touch constantly. Your kitchen counters where you prepare food. Your bathroom where you brush your teeth. The floors where children play. Every time you use chemical cleaners, you're leaving residue on these surfaces. Residue that gets absorbed through skin, inhaled with every breath, ingested with every meal prepared on those counters. The cumulative exposure over years is what concerns health experts. It's not one cleaning session. It's decades of repeated exposure to endocrine disruptors, respiratory irritants, and carcinogens. And that's why I switched to all-natural cleaning products after a health scare that opened my eyes. Natural alternatives work just as well, cost less, and don't slowly poison your family. If this made you reconsider what's under your sink, hit that like button right now. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for natural cleaning recipes and health-conscious home tips. Share this with anyone who needs to hear it. Comment if you're making the switch. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, clean naturally, and protect what matters most: your family's health.